was your motive for seeing Dr. Comm at that time?
Like I said, he did a breast examination, touched me and pelvic check.
That's all?
Yes.
Dr. Comm happens to be your ex-boyfriend, and he dumped you and didn't treat you very well. Isn't it a bit uncomfortable to see your gynae, which happens to be your ex-boyfriend that dumped you and didn't treat you very well?
Well, I didn't expect such a professional doctor like Dr. Comm to molest his patients.
You say he molested you. Why did you go to the police?
Well, I was ashamed. I just got molested by a doctor, a well-known doctor like that. I wasn't thinking straight. I was so embarrassed. All I wanted to do was go back home. I wasn't even thinking. I couldn't meet anybody at that stage. I was disgusted.
Disgusted. And you can actually post it online at glamour.com, huh?
Well, online I was anonymous. People just know my name. But if I went to the police station, they could see my face. And in that state, I didn't want anybody to see me at that state.
Is there a witness that you'll be molested?
I'm the victim. I'm the witness. Am I not? I'm already the person. I'm here saying that I was molested by a doctor. I'm enough proof. All you need is my word.
So it's just you. There's no one else that can justify that you were indeed being molested.
Yes. It's me. My word is enough.
Okay. Miss Bichi, can you tell me or record how did you respond to the breakup?
Objection, Your Honor. Portia is again bringing matters that are irrelevant to the case.
No, but
I'm so sorry. Objection overruled. I want to hear this.
can you answer the question?
Well, we did have a good relationship, but I was a bit sad when we broke up.
Do you love him?
Well, yes. After all the things that we had for 6 months, yes, I love Dr. Comm very much.
Do you want him back if he wants to get back?
Objection, Your Honor. This is irrelevant to the case.
Your Honor, I'm trying to establish a motive here.
Whether she's in love with him or not is not relevant to this case. Objection sustained. It's rephrased.
Okay, I'm sorry, Your Honor. So, are you going to take him back if he wants you back?
Of course, after everything I've tried, after all the things that I did, and this Dr. Comm is still not taking me back, I am so annoyed. I tried so many things, I've proven myself to him, and he still don't want me back.
He's indeed not a very nice man, is it?
Yes.
He doesn't want you back?
Yes, for all those things I did, can't you see that I love you so much?
Miss Bichi, so that day he molested you and he was doing all the bad things to you. Did you guys have sexual intercourse?
Yes, we did.
Again?
Yes, we did.
But didn't you say he just fingered you? How did you
No, I mean like, yeah, we did, and then he didn't know which one.
Please calm down. So which one?
He fingered you? Yes, he did both. I mean like, he first did, he started with the intercourse and then... Objection, Your Honor. Portia is still harassing my client. Objection.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no more questions.
Ms. Bichi, you may stand. Now I'd like to call upon the two counsels to make a closing statement. Plaintiff?
Thank you, Your Honor. As lawyers, we must seek the truth, find it, and live with it. Here, the truth is, Dr. Comm did not molest Miss Bichi. She herself is not even sure how he molested her, and there's no police report and whatsoever. In searching for the truth, we have found reasonable doubt in Miss Bichi's claim, a strong motive for intentional defamation, and a willing accomplice in Miss BFF. His nightclub visits are nothing but past, and his playboy behavior is strictly his private life. What he does in his private time which does not interfere with his professionalism. Miss Bichi should not take justice in her own hands by posting it on glamour.com. There is no evidence at all that my client molested her. I have proof that my client, Dr. Comm, has been indeed defamed, and I urge that Ms. Bichi should be charged guilty and pay damages amounting to 2 million ringgit. Thank you, Your Honor.
Only 2 million.
Your Honor, Dr. Comm no doubt presents a professional image in front of most people. But behind the doors, it's a different story. Miss Lovely was fortunate enough that she had a nurse or her husband always present in the room with her. My client, Miss Lim Vici, was not as fortunate. She chose not to report to police because she was ashamed. But her conscience made her uneasy, so she felt like she had to post it on the forum to warn other women, to prevent other women from falling victim to Dr. Cobb. Who knows how many others have been molested and were afraid to take a stand? Well, nurse Miss Missy would definitely not tell us because of a questionably close relationship to Dr. Cobb. And there is reasonable doubt to the cleaner's testimony as to who actually made the call in the toilet. Furthermore, the court has also heard about Dr. Cobb's natural playboy character and his tendencies to grope women. Fair enough. Our plaintiff's counsel, Portia, has pointed out that his nightclub behavior was a thing of the past 5 years ago, but his next door neighbor has proven that he has carried this behavior to the future. It is just changed from the nightclub to his bed. Okay, Your Honor, Miss Lim Vici is the victim here. And her message on the forum was a fair comment, well justified due to the outrage of her modesty. The court has all the reasons to find her not guilty of defamation. All she wanted to do was keep other women safe. Thank you, Your Honor. The defense rests.
Counsel and spectators will please remain silent in the courtroom to allow the judge to deliberate.
In the case of Dr. Cobb against Miss Lim Vici, I find there is reasonable doubt in Miss Vici's story. The alibi of his BFF also does not stand. The fact that his BFF's number was displayed across the caller ID screen at 2:32 p.m. raises suspicion. Dr. Cobb is just a well-respected man and a prominent gynecologist. His personal life, visits to the nightclub, or his playboy behavior are just what he does or who he is, which doesn't interfere with his professionalism. So this is my verdict. The court finds the defendant, Miss Lim Vici, to be guilty. Yes!